Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today is a day where we are going to be going out. So I have about half an hour to do a full glam. Let's see if I can make it, because I still got to sort out this hair and figure out what I'm going to wear. Now, I have a whole bunch of Vive makeup that I have ordered and I'm going to try. I'm going to start off with the skin so that has time to absorb and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to first off go in with the Skin Nova. It's a skin perfecting radiance primer and it hydrates. Apply to bare skin for an instant effortless glow. Use it as a primer under makeup for a hydrated, long-lasting complex. Beautiful. Now this has some skin loving ingredients as well. Now I've already done my skincare. I've already prepped my skin. So I'm going to go in with this. And this has like a gold like pearl undertone to it. And I'm really going to work this into my skin. It feels really nice on the skin, so nice on the skin. I can tell my skin loves that because it's just soaked that right up. Okay, I'm going to let that sit and I'm going to move straight onto the eyes. First I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm just going to use the Stay Don't Stray primer by Benefit, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Now I forgot to get the eye wands from Vive, or else I would have been using that, but nonetheless this is still pretty good because I will be using the new eye palette from Vive. Time for the eye palette. Now the eye palette is just absolutely beautiful. It is purple and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just going to grab a big fluffy brush. This is the 228 by Zoeva, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go first in with Bow, this one, this shade here, and I'm going to place that all into my crease. I'm going to make sure I blow it out as per usual. I'm also going to wing it out as well. This is a beautiful colour. I still find it quite neutral with like a purple undertone to it. Then what I'll do is I'll just grab a smaller, fluffier brush and I'll go in with Mystic right here. And I'll begin to deepen up the crease with that. So I'm making sure I'm working in layers in regards to shade depth. Then I'll go in with Sauce, which is this shade here. Then I'll go in with Merlot after that. With Sauce, I'm going to also bring that onto the outer corner of my eye. Now going in with Merlot. I think what I might do is I might take a flat shader brush or flat brush, and I'll take Velvet, the deepest purple in the palette, and what I'll do is I'm going to put that all over my lid. And then what I'll do is I'll grab the blender brush to help me blend out the edges. Yeah, and I think what I might do is I might grab a bit of Regal, which is this beautiful shimmering purple there. I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to tap that onto the lid. Okay, now we're going to move back onto the face. I'm just going to apply some Hollywood Flawless filter kind of all over the face and really blend that in. That Skin Nova is sitting immaculately on my skin. It feels so nice. Okay, for foundation, I'm going in with the Nars Natural Radiant foundation. This is Tried and True. Love this foundation. And I'm going to work from the center of my face outwards. I'm also bringing that down my neck slightly. Okay, for concealer, I may just use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer just for underneath the eyes. So it looks like this. I'm just going to wind up some product and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that underneath my eyes here. And I'm going to brighten up the corners of my mouth and a little bit here on my forehead. Just going to use my foundation brush to blend that all in. My skin looks literally amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Alright, so I've really worked that into my skin. Now I'm going to go in with some cream bronzer. I'm just going to use the Nars Lagoona cream bronzer. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that towards the back of my cheeks. So about here. I'm really working that into the skin. Okay, I think I'm just going to quickly set underneath my eyes and my face. So for that, I'm going to use my Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to set underneath my eyes with that, around my nose. Okay, I'm just going to take Velvet. I just want to finish off the rest of the eye look. I'm just taking Velvet and running that underneath on my lower lash line. And then I will take Bow and really smoke that out as well. Okay, I might just move on back to the face and leave the eyes till last because I'm starting to get annoyed with them. But I'm going to go in with the Modern Bronzer by Vive as well. And I'm going to bronze up my cheeks some more. I think I'm going to go in with the deeper side and really start to bronze up. I'm also going to bring that here into the makeup, the outer corner of the eye makeup. I think I'm missing some blush. Might use this by Tarte, First Class. And I'll apply that really high up to give me that lift in the face. Highlighter. Now I do have the Skin Dew Glow Multitasker by Vive as well. I might save that because I don't know if, a bit worried it might, well, I don't think it will lift any part of the base, but just in case because I haven't tried it. But sticking with Vive, I'll use the Vive Holy Chic Nova Glow highlighter. This is a really nice highlighter that I thoroughly enjoy. I'm going to really glow up my skin with that. I'll apply a little bit to the tip of my nose and right here in the dip of my bridge. I'm just going to grab a small brush and taking Divine, applying that to the inner corner. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and applied some mascara, some eyebrow products, just my stock standard Benefit products, and applied my little freckles. Now I'm going in with lashes. I'm going to use the Half Lash by Vive in the style Vive HL5 Smoky, and they look like this. So I'm going to apply those. Oh, I also used my Charlotte Tilbury black eyeliner for a little baby wing on the outer corner too, just to really elongate my eyes. I love that. That's really nice. That is so nice. I'm going to give them a nice good squeeze together with my natural lashes. Okay, beautiful. Might apply one more coat of mascara on my lower lash line if I can find the mascara. There we go. Just because I feel like big chunky bottom lashes. Might apply a little bit more bronzer while I'm here. Like I'll do all the finishing touches to my skin. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more bronzer. I did also use the Colourpop Hyaluronic Acid setting spray. And I'll apply a touch more blush. Same blush I used. We'll move on to lips. I'm going to be using Vive, the Modern matte lipstick by Vive in the shade Vive. Now I'm guessing this must have melted in like transit or something, because like, look at that. I don't think it's mold. It's definitely not mold, but I'm just gonna ignore it. I was too excited. I don't know. It is what it is. Like the other lipstick that I've got from them, like from Vive, hasn't arrived like that ever. Just gonna apply that all over my lips. Then I'm just going to use, let's see, either Brat or Bark. Have a little sus. I do have Velvet Sands as well. We'll go Bark, just like a deep brown to define the lip. Okay, and literally I think there we have it. There is the final look. That's what I'm wearing out tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. I need to go and sort out my hair and figure out what the fuck I'm wearing, because I literally have no idea. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.